Hi, welcome to Mr. Mac Works. So here's another loader I used way back when, my early 2000s. Working for house department. It was a John Deere 624H loader. So this was a very good loader I used too for quite a few years. I think I used this particular one and model right up till the late 2000s. So, because money was tight in the house department, and we just kept running it and running it and running it until the company could afford to buy newer machines. But it was a very good machine too, and I ran it lots. I had lots of seat time running the loader for doing different projects, mostly for loading the trucks with sand and such for winter road maintenance, and salt. The salt kind of ate up the buckets pretty bad and such on them too. So, but they were heavy steel, so but got pretty rusty after a while. And my job in the summertime was to take the buckets into the shop, get them sandblasted, bring them back, paint them black, and they were all ready to go for wintertime. Just kept on maintaining it and kept it going. But this was a very good machine too, and I really liked running it. Had lots of power, lots of hydraulic power. Very good machine, good, lots of traction, very stable, and it was one of my favorites. So, but anyways, so we'll bring you some more content. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more content coming up. Bye for now.